Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today we are joined by Robbie McCrae, who is the CEO of Caracal Gold. Robbie, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thanks very much for having me. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Can you start by telling us a little bit more about your move to accelerate expansion at the Kilimapesa mine?
Yeah, as our shareholders and people who follow Caracal will know, it was the next step in our plan was to take the expansion from the current 1,000 ounces per month up to 2,000 ounces per month, or 24,000 ounces per annum. So it's the next step in the plan that we presented a couple of months ago when we listed, and we're very pleased as a management team. We presented it to the board during the month of January, and they've come out and approved and given us the green light to commence engineering and start work.
Now, what does this expansion mean for Caracal Gold going forward?
It's a major step for us. We inherited an asset which we believed was undervalued and underutilized. Over the last 4 months, we've run the mine and we've run the operation very hard. September, October, November, and December. It validated, gave us a hell of a lot of information. We really know the Kilimapesa asset very well. And this next step is a confirmation and an application of the knowledge that we've gained about the Kilimapesa assets and taking that knowledge and implementing it. So a good example is 6 months ago, we would never have known that we would be delivering between 10 and 15,000 tonnes per month of low-grade ore to the plant area. This is all that's going between 1.5 grams and 2 grams a tonne. It's an asset. We're incurring costs to do it. So we came up with the concept of building a heap leach plant to treat it. We had the conceptual study done. We ran the metallurgical test. We've got some good results. Did some early stage engineering, presented the concept, operating cost, capex, etc. to the board, and they've approved us to go ahead. So it's good confirmation and affirmation for the work that the team are doing, and we're very excited to implement it over 2022.
Thank you, Robbie. Lots to look forward then to in 2022 for Caracal Gold.
Yes, very much so. Very exciting year, and we look forward to delivering for our shareholders and our followers.
And do you have any more updates that you'd like to share with us today?
Yeah, there's a few updates which will be coming out over the next couple of days. There's lots of our shareholders are very interested in our quarterly announcement that will be coming out early next week. We've got some exciting exploration results coming in, which will be announced very soon. So yeah, some appointments. When you're in a growth phase like we are, you've got to keep growing the team. So we're looking at a few additions to our team in the near future as well.
Well, we look forward to hearing more about that. Robbie, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thanks very much for your time. Thank you.
And thank you for watching Share Talk.